you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a long overdue. I've been gone from YouTube for more than a year now. My life has changed. So I have a 3-year-old little girl and I have a 1-year-old little boy. So as soon as he was like born, I was like, you know what, I just know I'm not gonna have time for YouTube. As much as I would love to keep up with it, I just knew I wasn't gonna have time. So I've basically stayed more on Instagram, because Instagram I could do quicker videos, those take less time to edit, and also pictures, photos, that sort of thing is also something quick that I can do. It's kind of crazy because when the first Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette came out, that's when I first started my YouTube. I believe it was my first video that was featuring the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. Well, now we have volume 2. And I'm so excited to do a look with this new palette. I'm going to be doing several looks with this palette. I'm hoping I'm going to be able to post here. I know for sure I will be posting on Instagram. This is what the palette looks like. It has a nice like glossy finish. So I feel like it's going to be a lot nicer if you're messy with eyeshadow and stuff. Like you'll be able to just kind of wipe it down and it will not leave any residue or whatever. So I remember with the first Jaclyn Hill palette, a lot of people were like, why would they use this packaging? It got dirty like in 10 seconds. So this is why they probably use this nice glossy packaging this time. I actually got this palette today in the mail, and as soon as I opened, I was like my heart just kind of stopped. This palette has every eyeshadow that you would want, minus if you're into greens and blues, that's the only thing this doesn't have. And probably some other shades as well. But if you're into colorful looks, if you love violets, plums, neutrals, bomb golds, this eyeshadow palette is for you. You will love it. So now to kind of like cut the crease, I'm just going to use a little bit of concealer. The Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue concealer is my favorite. And this is my little baby, Mr. Elijah. He's almost 13 months. Huh?
Wait.
Oh.
I'm going to choose dark one.
Ay, my baby.